Well, there are various advantages, I think some of which we had mentioned earlier, but I can think of 5 key advantages. The first is that there's a flexibility in terms of legal representation. Now, the SICC allows foreign lawyers to appear in courts to make submissions on behalf of the clients, as well as to make arguments and file documents in certain cases. For cases where foreign law is a specific issue that have to be dealt with by the SICC court, then the foreign lawyer can be asked to come and make submissions to the court on that foreign law specifically. So this is a very attractive aspect of the SICC. Now, the second reason, of course, is building upon the strength of our local judiciary. The SICC also has an excellent panel of international judges. They come from the common law countries as well as civil law countries. They include US, UK, Australian and Japanese and Austrian judges, all very eminent jurists. That of course is an attractive reason why SICC can be used as a choice over the others. The third really is one about confidentiality. It's one of the key aspects why arbitration in general is made favored amongst practitioners and clients. SICC gives that option to parties using the SICC services, because the court, on application by a party, is allowed to make confidentiality orders, including, for example, the orders that prevent the publishing of parties' names and information, even have orders sealing court files, and even orders preventing a hearing to be heard in public. The fourth reason we have is the freedom from the law of evidence. The Singapore courts, of course, use Singapore laws of evidence, but the SICC has the option not to apply Singapore laws of evidence, and in fact use other popular choices that often is used by parties in arbitration. The last is the question of foreign law, which I've alluded to earlier. Foreign law in the SICC is a matter of law and not a matter of fact, which is what's common in Singapore local courts, where experts have to be asked from jurisdictions outside of Singapore to come to Singapore to give testimony as to what a law is in a foreign country. But in the SICC, a foreign lawyer can come to Singapore, make submissions on part of the client to the court about the foreign law directly. So this is a very, again, very attractive reason why the SICC is used over local courts.
Great.